Come test drive the 2022 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, luggage rack, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.